Rear-facing versus forward-facing is quite the hot topic on social media these days. So let's have a look at it and see what it is all about. So what does rear-facing mean? Let us start there. So rear-facing means that your child faces away from the direction of travel. You sit there, you travel that way. And the study that was done to prove that rear-facing was 5 times safer than forward-facing was done in 2007. But in 2018, they had to retract that study because they couldn't replicate their data. So at this point, we really have nothing to go by. What we do know for sure is that rear-facing can be mandated, meaning made so by law, until 15 months. Thereafter, we don't have enough data to make it a law. So rear face up to 15 months a must. Rear face after 15 months is then by choice until your child is booster ready.
Thank you for watching. If you have a car seat your child has outgrown, consider donating it at your nearest SuperQuick. Together with Wheelwell, we can help protect children and save lives. For more information, visit superquick.com or wheelwell.co.za.